I have personally dealt with frustrating Curseforge Java download issues and installation problems, spending considerable time finding reliable solutions. After successfully fixing these stubborn errors, I've gathered the most effective methods, and I'm excited to share them with you now. This video will show you how to finally fix Curseforge Java download failed error and get your mods running. Our first strategy targets network and security. Your internet connection or computer's firewall often blocks Curseforge downloads. By checking your network and adjusting security, we clear these roadblocks for successful installations. Next, we consider a complete refresh. Outdated or damaged Java or Curseforge versions frequently cause major problems. In installing them and then installing fresh versions ensures everything works smoothly. This fixes hidden software issues preventing proper setup. Then, we examine system permissions and updates. If Curseforge lacks file access or your system software is old, installations fail. Updating your system and running Curseforge as administrator lets it perform necessary actions. Finally, we explore detailed technical fixes. Specific Java settings or Curseforge server problems can be the cause. Checking file integrity or trying an alternative Java version often solves these trickier errors, helping Curseforge work correctly.